ka bang maging asawa si John na narito ngayon ang sinus ang tungkulin ng ating banal simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso bang pagkakalaw mo sa kanya ng sarili bilang kanyang asawa?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso mo bang tinatanggap si John bilang asawa?
Opo, Father.
I was sitting in a field of pine trees, coaching words from the earth and the dirt. I started mused that the words just wouldn't come. It's been a while since I saw you.
I'm excited and a bit nervous, but pinagdasal ko na maging okay lahat. I'm letting God take over.
You're something out of a dream, messing with my head. I've been looking for you.
Masaya ako na I swipe right. Kahit nung una nag-aalangan ako kung sino ba to, bakit siya nag-swipe, may trabaho ba siya, or what? But I'm really glad that na-swipe kita sa Facebook dating.
Babe, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord dahil dumating ka sa buhay ko. Lagi mong tatandaan, mahal na mahal kita.
You're something out of a dream. You're something out of a dream.
Oh, Team Orange. Hey, thank you, babe. I love you.
I was a quick, wet boy, diving too deep for coins. All of your street light eyes wide on my plastic.
Actually, many people are not expecting that I'll get married. Kasi nga, I'm boyish and all, but even I naman, sumuko na din sa paghahanap, but he came at the right time. So, I'm happy and I'm looking forward to this day. So.
Have I found you?
Conrad, John, Maria Katrina, kayo ang regalo ng Diyos sa bawat isa upang magmahal at magsama habang may buhay.
And lost you.
Nagpapasalamat din ako kay Lord kasi dumating siya sa buhay ko.
I'm grateful kasi, ayan, I mean, to God na binigay niya si John sa akin. I'm grateful na, ayun, ito yung inaabangan namin na makasal kami.
I'm a fat house cat, nursing my sore blunt tongue, watching the boys and rats girl through the white fence, cracks pissing on magazine.
Thank you sa lahat-lahat. Kakasal na ako. Ah, nag-iiyak! Dito pa din ako lagi.
Thank you, babe. Sa regalo, I love you.
Hi, babe. I can't wait to see you later. And ito na yon yung inaantay natin. Kilala kita. Kinakabahan ka na right now, but there's nothing to worry. I'll be there. You'll see me in white. I always love that song. I know. You look so beautiful in white. And I'll be looking beautiful in white later. So I'll see you, and I love you so much. sawang sagutin yung tawag mo kahit anong oras. Kahit madaling araw yan, kahit napupuyat tayo parehas. Di din ako mapapagod na ihatid sundo ka sa airport. Kasi yun na yung magiging realidad natin.
Babe, ikaw ang naging answer sa mga prayer ko. Kaya salamat sa pag-aalaga mo sa akin. Mahal na mahal kita.
Pinapangako ko na kahit malayo ka, mafe-feel mo yung love ko sa'yo. Thank you, inaalagaan mo ko. Haalagaan kita sa mga paraan na alam ko. Sayong-sayo lang ako. I love you.